Hello students, welcome on my channel Ankush Sengupta, and I am your English teacher Ankush Sengupta. Well, happy quarantine as you are enjoying well at your home, and hope you are taking all the precautions given by Ayush Ministry for taking your good health as well as your families. So today I'll cover the chapter Discovering Tat. So I'm continue this chapter Discovering Tat. The saga continues. Here I'll give the explanation, and along with that, here all the important vocabularies I have mentioned here along with their meanings, and these are paragraph based. Clear? So you would not have any problem while identifying these, and now I'm explaining you one by one so you will able to understand it. And thereafter, in the end of this PDF, so I'll send this PDF along with this video. Here you will find that here I have given the notes that you will copy down. So actually you will copy down the whole PDF. Clear? And here is the chapter. Question answer I'll give when we'll complete this chapter. So he was a teenager. He was just a teenager when he died. The last heir of powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. Since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him, with murder being the most extreme possibility. Now, leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tat has undergone a CT scan that offers new clues about his life and death, and provides precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction of the boyish pharaoh. Now here the word heir, H-E-I-R, H is silent, that means successor. You are the successor of your father. Finally, father is successor of your grandfather. That means laden. Laden means loaded. And the other word speculated means a theory without evidence. That's called speculated. There's a word tomb. Tomb means a kind of object in which you keep the body, dead body. And forensic reconstruction means the process of recreating the face of an individual. When they create the face, that's called forensic reconstruction. And pharaoh is the ruler, means king. Generally pharaoh is the Egypt word. So here is a Tutankhamun, also known as Tut. He was a teenager when he died. He was the last successor of his powerful dynasty, which ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid on rest, heavily loaded with gold. His tomb was discovered in 1922, which made the world raise a question about what had actually happened to him, whether he had been murdered or he caught any disease. After almost 80 years, his body was about to undergo a CT scan machine, which would give new information and clues, that means forensic reconstruction, about his life and death. His face would be recreated with the help of a procedure called forensic reconstruction. Actually, it was a part, so that's why I explained. So Tutankhamun, as I have told, that known as King Tut, he was a teenager when he died. जब उनकी death हुई तो वो teenager थे, and he was a successor of his powerful dynasty. अपने powerful dynasty के successor माने जाते थे, last बंदे थे, उनके बाद उनकी family नहीं चल पाई. उन्होंने इजिप्ट को रूल किया कई सेंचुरी से, उनकी फैमिली इजिप्ट को रूल करते आ रही थी. और नाउ आफ्टर हिज दैट ही वाज लोडेड विद गोल्ड. लोडेड का मतलब है कवर्ड विद गोल्ड, और उनका टॉम को डिस्कवर किया गया था 1922 में. But with the question that what actually happened to him, whether he died with a disease or any accident or murder. So almost 80 years his body was about to undergo CT scan, which would give a new information. ठीक है, जो न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन देगी CT स्कैन मशीन उनकी बॉडी को ले जाया जा रहा है. सो टू फाइंड आउट द क्लूज ऑफ हिज लाइफ एंड डेथ. An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devils as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egyptian cemetery known as the Valley of the Kings. Dark-bellied clouds had scudded across the desert sky all day, and now they were wheeling the stars in a casket grey. It was 6 p.m. on 5th January 2005. The world's most famous mummy glided headfirst into CT scanner brought here to probe the lingering medical mysteries of this understood young ruler who died more than 3,300 years ago. All afternoon, the usual line of tourists from around the world has descended into the crammed rock cut tomb some 26 feet underground to pay their respects. They gaze at the murals of the walls of the burial chamber and peered at the Tut's gilded face, the most striking feature of his mummy-shaped outer coffin lid. Some visitors read from guidebooks in a whisper. Others stood silently, perhaps pondering Tut's untimely death in his late teens, or wondering with a shiver if the pharaoh's curse, death or misfortune falling upon those who disturbed him was really true. So here are some words, as I've already mentioned, paragraph wise, so you need not to disturb by any means. You would understand it. If any doubt comes, then please give me your response. Fine. Leave your comment on a comment box or send the questions in the group. No problem at all. So here a fast, strange and unnatural wind was blowing. That's called angry wind state of the. That means a fast, strange and unnatural wind was blowing as King Tut's body was taken from his grave. And where his body was kept, the name of the place is Valley of the Kings, where you can find the dead bodies of the kings. It is an ancient Egyptian cemetery. The location of the Valley of the King is given in the image. Here is the image. Thereafter, dark clouds moved quickly across the desert all day long, and that means the dark cloud moved across the desert. जो काले घने बादल थे वो उस डेजर्ट में यानी उस रेगिस्तान में यानी कि दूर दूर तक फैले हुए थे. दे कवर्ड द स्टार्स, यहाँ तक कि स्टार्स तक को कवर कर रखा था. ऑन जनवरी 5, 2005 की बात हो रही है, ठीक है. एट 6 PM, किंग तट्स mummy, which is the world most famous mummy, was placed in the CT scanner. उसको CT scanner में पहले रखा गया 5 जनवरी 2005 को. 6 PM का टाइम था. वर्ल्ड मोस्ट फेमस मम्मी था, कवर्ड विद हेड से ढका हुआ, उसको लेके आए एंड दे स्टार्टेड इन्वेस्टिगेटेड. तो टू इन्वेस्टिगेट द मिस्ट्री बिहाइंड हिज डेथ विच हैड अकर्ड मोर देन 3,300 ईयर्स. 3,300 ईयर्स एगो जिस बंदे की डेथ हो गई, उसकी मिस्ट्री को जानने के लिए CT स्कैन मशीन में उसकी डेड बॉडी को लेके गए. अब हुआ ये कि पूरी दोपहरी ऑल आफ्टरनून टूरिस्ट विजिटेड द 26 फीट डीप अंडरग्राउंड. 26 फीट डीप अंडरग्राउंड की तरफ अंडरग्राउंड पे गए रॉक कट टॉम टू पे रेस्पेक्ट टू किंग तट को रेस्पेक्ट देने के लिए. मैनी पीपल स्टफ्ड इनटू द स्मॉल टॉम लुक्ड इन एडमायरेशन. बहुत से लोग जो है आपके एडमायरेशन में देख रहे थे. दे गेज एट द म्यूरियल वॉल्स ऑफ चेंबर. बहुत गौर से देख रहे थे स्ट्राइकिंग फीचर्स को कि हाय हाय किंग तट निकलेगा और ये क्या होगा, कैसा होगा. That had been painted with gold. While visitor read the guidebooks in the hushed tone, some stood silently. कुछ तो है, क्या नाम है आपके बुक्स को, किनकी कुछ लोगों के पास बुक्स थी. Some were having books. They were reading the books and tried to find out what was written earlier. They trying to match with the machine की नॉलेज और पहले लिखी हुई नॉलेज को मैच करना चाह रहे थे. कुछ चुपचाप खड़े थे, wondering about his untimely death, और वंडर करते क्या मैंने कि बेमौत, मैंने कि बिना टाइम से पहले ही मारा गया, अनटाइमली डेथ. इन हिज टीन ईयर्स, जब वो टीन एज में. दे माइट ऑल्सो बी वंडरिंग इफ द कर्स ऑफ द फेरो विच लीड टू द डिसेंड ऑफ मिसफॉर्च्यून अपॉन द पर्सन हु डिस्टर्ब हिम इज ट्रू. और इस बात को भी वो थोड़ा मान रहे थे. यहाँ पर आपका सुपरस्टिशन है कि जिसने भी, उनका मानना था वहां के लोगों का कि अगर आप उनके राजा को परेशान करोगे, बॉडी को ऐसे निकालोगे, कुछ वो करोगे तो कुछ कर्स हो सकता है। कर्स का मतलब है यहाँ पर जो है श्राप हो सकता है, ठीक है, किसी की डेथ भी हो सकती है जो उसे परेशान करेगा। क्या ये वाकई में सच था? इसको भी वो जानना चाह रहे थे। देखे तो साइंस सही कह रहा है या साइंस गलत कह रहा है। द ममी इज इन वेरी बैड कंडीशन because of what Carter did in 1920s. I'll give one link in the description box में। description box में लिंक दे दूंगा, go through this link और उसमें आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये BBC की रिपोर्ट है, डिस्कवरी चैनल और BBC की। so उसमें एक छोटी सी एक बात दी गई है कैसे उसकी बॉडी को ले गया। though I'll try to give that particular clip in that, मैं इसमें क्लिप भी दूंगा so that you will be able to understand। so वो जो है उसकी जब बॉडी को लेके आए तब की बात हो रही है। तो कार्टर वॉज डेड इन 1920। सही अब्बास उस टाइम हेड थे, तो उससे पहले उनकी बॉडी को पहले भी देखा गया था, निकाला गया था, जो कि हॉवर्ड कार्टर ने निकाला था 1920s में। अब जो है जही हवास ने निकाला है। सेक्रेटरी जनरल ऑफ इजिप्ट सुप्रीम काउंसिल ऑफ एंटीक जो है वो, माने कि वो सेक्रेटरी जनरल है इजिप्ट सुप्रीम काउंसिल ऑफ एंटिक्स के। एज ही लीन्ड ओवर द बॉडी ऑफ फॉर अ long first look, Howard Carter, that is, was the British archaeologist who in 1922 discovered the tomb after years of fertile searching. Its contents, though hastily ransacked in antiquity, were surprisingly complete. They remain the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of the pharaoh's legend. Stunning artifacts in gold, their eternal brilliance mean to guarantee resurrection, caused a sensation at the time of the discovery and still get the most attention. But Tat was also buried with everyday things he'd want in the afterlife. Board games, a bronze razor, linen undergarments, cases of food and wine. So, as Zahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt, उन्होंने बॉडी को लिया। He said that the mummy was in bad condition. उन्होंने कहा कि मम्मी की कंडीशन बहुत बैड है, बहुत ही बुरी है, because what British archaeologist Howard Carter did in the year 1920. So Howard Carter discovered King Tut's tomb in 1922 after a long search. This valuable treasures Tut had been explored. पहले से एक्सप्लोर किया गया earlier too, पहले भी दिखा गया था, but surprisingly they were complete. लेकिन तब पहले complete था, अब नहीं था, कुछ गड़बड़ थी इसमें। The treasure found at Tut's cave is the richest till date. It has come to be known as a Pharaoh's legend. तो Pharaoh's legend के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी, अब भी उसकी बहुत वैल्यू थी उसमें गोल्ड में से कोई चीज चुराई नहीं गई थी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था। फिर क्या बात थी? It has artifacts in gold which are eternally beautiful and good as new. Such artifacts still get attention. आज भी उसमें से कुछ ऐसे आर्टिफैक्ट है जो अटेंशन थे, लोगों का अटेंशन अपनी तरफ ले रहे थे। तत् was buried with things of daily. उसमें तत् के मैंने की बॉडी के साथ में से पुराने टाइम पे लोग रख दिया करते थे उनकी यूज की चीजों को, जैसे रेजर, ब्रॉन्ज का बना हुआ, गेम्स, कुछ गेम्स थे, लाइन अंडरगारमेंट्स थे, बॉक्सेस ऑफ फूड थे, वाइन था, ठीक है, विच ही कुड यूज इन द नेक्स्ट लाइफ, जो नेक्स्ट लाइफ में यूज कर सकता था। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो।